So let's see what YouTube has sent me for crossing 100 subscribers. So the first source of income goes like this. I used to earn somewhere between 500 rupees to up to 1700. So ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Welcome back to another video. In this video we'll be talking about how I created 8 source of income over a period of last 12 to 13 months, even during the pandemic time. So wait. First of all, thanks for everyone who shared my video, who subscribed to my channel, because we crossed 100 subscribers. That is 3 days ago. I'm ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ 2 months ಅಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಹೋಪ್ಸ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ happy news for me. Let's move on to the video. Wait, I want to show you one thing, like how I got to know, and YouTube has sent me a mail wishing me and congratulating me for 100 subscribers. So let's see what YouTube has sent me for crossing 100 subscribers. See, the mail goes like this. That is Bhuvan Karthik. Let's have a round of applause because you did it. More than 100 people have subscribed to your channel. Now the time to get out there and shoot it from the virtual rooftops. Yay! So the first source of income, which started around when I was in 10th grade. Yes, I started teaching my school friends. That is, I was charging something like 50 bucks or something, 100 rupees, that's it. When I used to teach mathematics back then in my 10th grade itself. Then in my 11th grade I started teaching like math science subjects, including languages also, to 10th grade students, where I was charging around like 300 to 400 per subject. But eventually, like after 4 to 5 years, now I'm charging 800 to 1000 rupees per month. That is hardly, I'll take 6 hours a week, that is alternate days of the week. Then I'll be charging like 800 to 1000 rupees per month. I mean, like due to the pandemic last year, I didn't have any student. Like in the month of from the month of January, I'm teaching a 11th standard kid. Other than that, let's move on to the second one. Second source of income is commission agent. It sounds weird, but believe me, this worked out for me really good, because when I was in 8th standard or 9th standard, I used to go to the pet shops. Like usually people who are connected to me on Instagram, social media links know me. I love animals, pets more than anything. So what I used to do is, I used to take retail orders to the wholesale dealers, and they used to pay me like maybe 5% or 10%. Yeah, that's good enough. That's a good deal, I think. Mostly these commission work will be done for the food items, clothes, and pets. Like pets includes mainly dogs and birds. The third source of income which I created during the pandemic is campus business manager. Yeah, like in the month of January, September or December, I think, like 2019 September or December, randomly I was checking out Internshalla thing. So it like time pass goskara apply madidde Internshalla goskara. Then gradually over a period of time, I have worked for around 5-6 companies. Like 5-6 companies I have worked as a campus business manager, where I was able to generate leads and earn up to like minimum 500 rupees to up to 4000 rupees. The fourth one is affiliate marketing. So I got into this during the 2020, beginning of 2020. The best example is when someone buys something on some particular company's website using my referral code or using my special link, which I'll be sending to him or her. Through that link, I'll be getting some percentage, or like probably minimum of 5% to 10%. The one company which worked out for me well was Bolt Technologies, where I had bought a machine learning course from them for 2000 rupees. Then I referred it to my two friends. I got back 400 or 430 rupees in return. The fifth one is referral programs. This is the widely used or commonly known sources of income, because I have referred like so many hundreds of people for Internshala thing, and so many hundreds of people for Prep Bites. Best example for referral programs is Prep Bites. This is the second company I have worked as a campus business manager, as a marketing intern. Yeah, I have referred, even this company, like this company's courses, I have referred to as many as like uh, 1,000, not 1,000. While doing bike taxi, in the beginning, I had some I was figuring out tricks and like what is the shortcuts to way easily. While working as a Rapido driving partner, I used to earn somewhere between 500 rupees to up to 1,700. Yeah, don't surprise yourself. I have a series of video coming on these all 8 sources of income, how I initially started and how I'm going up to maximum extent, and what are the problems I have faced. I'll be uploading all these videos in coming weeks, so stay tuned. If you like this video, please like the video, subscribe to channel, and share this video if you found some useful information through this video. And the least, like, 8th source of income is digital marketing. Yeah, I managed to learn something about digital marketing, which was freely available on YouTube, and somehow I got a client also, but that was like the worst performance I have given in 2020, because in the middle only I got so fucked up. I couldn't perform well. I couldn't generate any leads initially, so I didn't get any sort of reasonable income also, but I got some good experience in digital marketing. I need to achieve this YouTube AdSense before August 2021. Let's see how it goes.
All about humanity.
Like, comment, share.